Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a simple tutorial of how to create multiple products on Zazzle at the same time. So after this video, you can create hundreds or even thousands of products on Zazzle just with one click. So you can save more time while uploading new designs on Zazzle.com. And now let's go together to Zazzle to find out how this works. And now we are on Zazzle.com. Just to go to your profile picture as you see here. Okay. And go to your stores, my stores, as you see, and click over your store. Okay, perfect. Just to go products, and here you will find this amazing feature on Zazzle.com, which is called Quick Create. By this feature, you can create multiple products, up to thousands of products on Zazzle.com. Okay. Just click over that, Quick Create. As you see, and here you have two options. You can depend on the default Zazzle templates that enables you to make 20 different products, or you can make even more than hundreds and thousands of products on Zazzle. Just you can make your own templates. So we can try the first one, Zazzle default templates. As you see here, add logo templates. Perfect. And here you can upload your design, okay, from your device or from your ready designs, as you see here. Just so we can try this one, this lion. Perfect. Just done. And here you have 20 different products at no time. As you see, hoodies, t-shirts, okay, bowls, mug, and so on. 20 different products. So if you want to make more than 20, and you can make like 50, like 100, 200, and so on, just you can make your own templates. So how to make these such templates, how to make these template products. Okay, just we can go back. Perfect. And we create new product. And now we're gonna make new template products. Okay, so we can make template products like shower curtains, bath mats, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, kids clothing, and so on. Okay, so we can go to this one, for example, aprons. Okay, so we can select any of these aprons like this one, or you can select all over print apron. So we can try this one. Okay, and here you can consider this template as a placeholder for the future design, and therefore you have to be mindful of the place of your design in this template, because your upcoming designs will be in the same place, whether it is in a certain place or it covers the whole entire product. Okay, thus we can just add your image in this apron or this template product. Okay, so we can add image. Perfect. So we can select this lion. Okay, just you can customize it on your template product. And as I said, your upcoming designs, your future designs will be in the same place. Okay, as you see here in this preview. Perfect. Just in these effects, in these tools, just we can go down. Okay, and here you can, this option, make this a template object. Okay, just we can check it. Perfect. Turns green. We can name it like, for example, R. Okay, perfect. Okay, and just to go done. Okay, as you see, just sell it. It's a template product. Okay, we will not sell this product. Okay, just we can put here some details of your product. Normally like this one. Okay, choose its marketplace department, description, for example. Okay, and as for store category, just you can put your template products on store category to activate Quick Create feature. So you can select this default one, or you can change it to another existing category, or you can create a new category. Okay, so we can change, for example, to this one. Okay, perfect. Tags, just we can edit lion, for example. Okay, perfect. For additional information, just we can suitable audience. G, product visibility hidden, of course. Make product a template, yes. Show customized button, yes or no, it doesn't matter. Okay, perfect. Just check this one and post this product, this template product. Perfect. And therefore you have made your first template product, so you can make your different products like short curtains, tapestries, masks, t-shirts, hoodies, socks, and so on and so forth in your category, your store category. Okay, and of course you have to wait for at least 1 hour to make these products, to make these template products to show up in your category. Okay, so go back to your store and your category, products, go down to these categories. As you see here, your store category, template, that contains your template products. And therefore in this category you will find your template products. For example, you'll find iPhone case and blanket, and as you see here, you will find these products are hidden. Okay, and the next step, you have to select all these products. Perfect. And go to this bulk actions and select set store category, and choose this one, template. Okay, perfect. And now we can use our quick create feature. Perfect. Click over that, quick create, and go to the other option, use your own templates, select. Perfect. Choose your store category, template, done, which contains your template products. And here you can upload your image from your device, change from this button, upload new images, new designs, or you can select this one, for example, quickly, done, and you will find your design will be applied on your template products. Okay, as you see here, on your iPhone case and on your blanket. Perfect. Then go to this next, and therefore in this page you have to put your details of your design, like title, description, okay, and tags and some additional information. Perfect. Royalty, and check this one and post your products. And by this feature and by this way you can make hundreds of products at the same time. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.